Hi, my name is Carrie, and I will show you how to use a microwave. To use a microwave, first you will need a microwave. Next, you will need something to microwave or put in the microwave. Today, we will use popcorn. Next, you will put the contents into the microwave. In this case, we have two microwaves, so we're going to use the right one because it's right. You put it in and shut the door. Next, you'll enter the time you want the popcorn to cook. Luckily, this microwave model has the popcorn button already installed. I push the button and the weight of the package appears on the screen, like so. Now, we're using a whole lot of butter, so I'm gonna push it one more time and double the size. Now, I'm all ready to go, so I'll start the cooking process. All right. When it is done, remove the contents from the back microwave. Be sure to grab the edges because it will be hot. And that's the proper way to use the microwave.